Hey guys, it's Britt. I know it's been so long. Life happens, but I'm back now. It's been almost 4.5 years since I started my lock journey, and man, the growth, both physically and mentally, have been tremendous. Now I know you guys kind of want to see the length and the thickness and for me to just get to my hair, so I'll just run the clips here, but I do want to touch on a couple of points that I haven't in previous videos or from questions you guys have sent me in my inbox, okay? Just 2 points. First, I mentioned in a number of my Instagram videos that my hair is heavy upon retightening. Now, I don't want to scare you all off by the expression, but yes, when I get my hair washed and retightened, it's slightly heavier than before. However, my hair is not heavy per se. The reason it's slightly heavier is because I have slightly more hair each time. Hello, new growth. And water is still present when I get it washed and retightened, and so naturally it's weighed down a little bit more. Now, in the beginning of my lock journey, my hair defied gravity as if I still had my loose, free-flying hair. But now, fully locked and continuing to grow, gravity has taken over my hair as added weight continues to kind of grow in through my scalp. But that weight is not to be confused with when black girls and women get individual or box braids installed into their hair with hair extensions. Those locks literally add a full head of hair, if not more, to a person's head. And so the follicles aren't able to adjust to that type of added weight. So it's like the difference between doing push-ups as opposed to doing bench presses with the barbell with heavy weights and things like that. The hair will naturally adjust to its own weight growing, but when you add weight, as in extensions, not even so much weaves, but definitely for the individual and box braids. But my locks are 100% my hair that grows out of my scalp. And so I just exaggerate or I'm being dramatic when I'm like, ooh, it's heavy. It's just slightly heavier because I have slightly more hair every month when I go to get my hair retightened. Now, for the second thing, for those of you with locks or sister locks already, and you're just switching to a new loctician, but somebody else previously installed your locks, my advice is simple. Let your new loctician do their job. Too many times I've heard about people going into a new loctician after leaving their previous originating loctician and telling the new ones how to do or not to maintain or repair their sister locks. Remember, for anyone to install or maintain sister locks, they must be certified. So they know what they're doing. So let the experts be the experts. And if you don't want to, then I suggest you shave your head or do something else because sister locks ain't what you want. Now, I hope you got a glimpse into what my hair has been doing the past few years. I'm loving the continued transformation. Now, I do still work out about 3 to 5 times a week, and I sweat like crazy. So for those of you still wondering about that fit life, you do not have to choose between a good hairstyle and getting your six-pack back, okay? This isn't a press and curl, okay? I still utilize absolutely no products whatsoever because my scalp produces all the hair product I need in my sebum. And I get my hair retightened about every 3 to 4 weeks. And that may or may not be considered frequent to you, but everyone's turnaround time is going to be different based on your individual needs, how fast your hair grows, what your density, porosity, or texture of your hair is, where you are in the locking phase, which is really important, your loctician's recommendations, etc. And yes, you can get color on your head, but I will caution you not to go too light if you have very dark hair. So platinum blonde is probably not the best option if you have naturally jet black hair because your loctician would have to completely strip your hair, and that definitely damages your hair and leads to breakage and things like that. In fact, that very idea gives my loctician indigestion just thinking about it. So I'll say this, color with caution. I do color my hair and I'm partial to red, so you can do it, just be very, very careful. Additionally, I have only had about 5 to 7 locks actually break on me. I was vacationing, and that just happened this summer, summer of 2019. I don't know when you're watching, so summer of 2019. But I was on vacation, swimming every day in the sun, the beach with sand and all that, and so I probably manipulated my hair prematurely without allowing for the locks to dry completely. Because you know our hair, when it's wet, it's more prone to breakage as opposed to when it's dry. But in 4.5 years, only 5 locks, I'm not mad. And I still have them. They're just a little shorter than the rest of my hair. And at the very least, they will grow back. So with that being said, super shout out to my amazing Loctician lady over at Naptapestry in Inglewood, California, and her sister Precious. Lady has worked miracles on my head. I actually call my hair her houseplant when she's taking care of it and making it grow and all of that. Oh, did I mention my traction alopecia, aka my bald spots from years of pulling at my hair due to braids or other types of hair extensions? Baby, they are filling in. They just needed some space and time to breathe and not be stressed or messed with. Now, while one side is definitely more advanced in its recovery than the other, they're both recovering nicely. So once again, thank you all for your messages and comments, and please continue to send them because some questions I haven't heard of yet. So if you are on Facebook, definitely go like Naptapestry and see all the amazing artistry they have going on over there. And you can follow my hair journey on Instagram. Just follow the hashtag BritsLockedLife. I'll put the link in the bio or the description box. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So with Brits Lock Life, I chronicled my first 365 days on my lock journey. And then I scaled back to posting every month or so at the end of my retightening appointment. I've got to say my social media, sisterloc and natural hair community have been amazing in terms of resources, inspiration, and support. Never underestimate the power of love. Love for yourself, love for your sisters and brothers out there in the world trying to make it. I mean, it takes a village to raise a child, but it also takes a village to survive as an adult in this world. So let's take care of ourselves and each other. Exercise, drink water, eat well, sleep well, read a book, journal, get outdoors, meditate, laugh, cry when you need to, ask for help when you need to. But be present and take everything a day at a time. Your hair and your health will thank you. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.